Today I had a nice surprise in my mail. It's Silent Corner's new ATOLL mounting bracket ring, which will be very helpful for my photography, I'm sure. The ATOLL is replacing the standard L bracket you may have on your camera, and it lets you adjust your camera rotation angle very easily by just opening one screw, and then you can turn the camera and lock it back into place. Takes a second. You can also take intermediate positions, no problem, but there's a nice quick stop at 90 degrees angles. Now Silent Corner states on its ATOLL webpage that the ATOLL unfortunately cannot be used with a Canon EF-EOS R drop-in filter adapter, because the ATOLL ring, if mounted normally, would cover up the filter slot. But there's a hack for that. Silent Corner actually sells an extension plate for the ATOLL, which lets you move the camera backwards and have the filter ring instead of next to the camera body over the adapter ring, and this gives you access to the filter slot and lets you nicely exchange filters without a problem.